Morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. TGIF. We've got a little bit of geopolitics going on in the world right now. There's so much that some missiles have come over into Romania and Moldova. So that's a little bit of a worry, especially if they hit civilian buildings. So DAX is probably going to have suffered, and so we have to be really careful. We had mixed messages from Powell, and also we've got geopolitics going on in the world right now. Hopefully people haven't been injured by these rogue missiles. It's possible that someone probably has got injured and there might be fatalities, so we have to be really careful. It's basically a great test to have risk management in place at all times. You can't neglect your risk management, because you don't know about these black swan events where you've got missile strikes. You know, you can't we can't predict that scenario is going to unfold. So we do need to have risk management. So I'd imagine DAX is going to be quite heavy because of that news. So we'll get there when we get there. So the thing of note is that in the FX is saying risk off. AJAU, GU, NU is saying sell. Okay, so it could be that FX is signaling risk off, and it's the USD should strengthen sentimentally, and the yen should strengthen against Aussie, right? So might be setting a precedence for the move that we're going to see in the indices, which would be unusual because normally it's yields, bonds, and FX, but we're seeing these FX pairs signal sell. So it could be FX is signaling the move there. So let's have a look at, well, in fact we can go look at DAX actually. So there's the move there. Admittedly they did go long, but that would be the move from that geopolitic news, which is quite scary really. And so that's the move anyway. So DAX, they've gone long, so we know we can create a box here, which we can do now. Oops, here. So there's the break-even test, which I said in Discord. I went up to tease them. So that's DAX. So that's fine. That would make sense from a fundamental view because of that news, and also sentimentally, we've got a resistance box. So let's look at S&P. Look on long, so we can create a box. Here. This is a resistance zone, so we can go here, and so that's that. That's fine. Hopefully, you understand that they've gone long, so we've got resistance. US 30. We'll do another box. And also you could probably argue we could do a little retracement as well. Our risk calculation went to risk off at the 24-hour change on the spreadsheet, and VIX is above 20. So that's an interesting confluence there. VIX being above 20 is a risk off indication. There's a resistance. Okay, let's look at gold. Well, we flip-flopped, and what's naughty is that we made a dragonfly doji there. So it's like what happened is that the retail guys had gone long the hour prior. We fell, but they pushed price high in order to really get them to hold on to their longs, and we fell a lot. So that was really naughty. That was like a trap candle there. It made you think that we're actually, this is quite bullish, because a dragonfly doji can indicate reversal. Because of the strength on that buy-in, can tell you that this downtrend has stopped and we're going to start a new trend. But in fact, they knew that retail guys had gone long the hour prior, and they just wanted them to hold on to their bias. So this is why you do need to look at sentiment. Technicals can give you a lot of false readings. You can see what happened here. They've gone long, but they pushed price just to make sure that they didn't exit their long positions. So by holding long, they could get punished. And that's the trap candle. Very naughty. So I'm going to wrap up now. I'm going to do a Patreon video, and we can look at the stop loss clusters. And I'm going to try and make the videos a little bit shorter today, and because no one's really got time to watch a 15-minute video, and hopefully it helps. Be careful. We've got risk management as top priority, and things should be falling because of the news. And we could have a retaliation from the US as well, when America wakes up, and that could be quite scary. Just it'd be rhetoric, but it can still be quite scary because no one wants rising tensions, especially between Russia and the US. Okay, and these are NATO countries as well, so we've got to be careful, trade safely, and I'll speak to you guys soon.